question we get a lot, and the unfortunate answer is no. Foundation repairs typically are not covered through insurance. And we do hear it a lot because they tend to be expensive repairs. And so having a way or an outlet to financially cover the expenses involved in a structural or a waterproofing repair when it comes to your home would be great to have as coverage, but insurance tends to write that exclusively out of their coverage. And so ultimately at Pier, what we do for homeowners is we come up with multiple options, and we call them ABCs, and the multiple options that come with almost every repair has options. You may not hear that from different companies because some companies, the way they're structured, the way they pay their sales guys, the way they pay their project managers, the way they're corporately held, is they have to shoot for the moon. They have to throw you the kitchen sink. They have to hit the grand slam, and that number needs to be 5 figures or more in times, or they just simply can't provide a solution for you. The good thing about Pier is we're owned locally. We have been and always will be. Our crews are local. Our sales guys are not paid on big commissions. They are salaried with incentives, but we can get to know the homeowners, their situations, and ultimately provide them options. And options means that there will be the home run, there will be the lifetime warranty that ultimately will provide a solution to your house forever, for the life of the home. We have those solutions. They tend to be the most expensive, but the warranty is there to cover it. And if you move, guess what? The warranty stays at the house. You don't have to pay for transfers like a lot of companies do. We just know that our repairs are going to be built for a lifetime, and they are. If we provide a lifetime warranty, we rarely ever go back to that home simply because our repairs are time tested, our materials are top of the line materials, and our crews are extremely well experienced, and they go through annual trainings. So the beauty of Pier is you get options. If you need less expensive options, we have the ability to produce those options. Or if you need an expensive option, we can break those options up into phases, and we can do seasonal change phases. So we can have, say, a $30,000 or $40,000 repair, which can't be afforded at one time, but we can break that up into 3 $10,000 phases, generally speaking. So we can do one in the spring, one in the fall, one the following spring. We have the ability to break those up and still keep the same warranties that we would provide from the beginning, given this strategic approach with homeowners. So the options in working with homeowners, I think, is a real specialty that we can do at Pier. I think homeowners absolutely approve it and appreciate the options that they have. In the realtor world, when you're negotiating contracts, having those options for the homeowner, the buyers that are coming into the house, or even the sellers, depending on what they're wanting to do and how they want to present their home with a solution, has a lot of flexibility as well. So unfortunately, we don't get the insurance piece, but we have ways to work around that with homeowners to help provide some leniency and some flexibility in the end, so you can make some real intelligent choices when it comes to repairing your home's foundation.